Last winter, I spent nights lying awake staring at the ceiling. Not because something was wrong, but because everything felt empty. I'd look at the stars and wonder, is this all just matter moving aimlessly? Or is something greater breathing through it all? One night, I opened the Bhagavad Gita, and this line caught my breath. He who sees me everywhere and everything in me never becomes separated from me. Bhagavad Gita, chapter 6, verse 30. That night, the question wasn't, is the universe conscious? The question became, can I be still enough to feel it? We've all had moments when life feels mechanical. Wake up, scroll, work, sleep, repeat. Days blur. People pass by. Even beauty feels flat. Somewhere inside, we sense there should be more. A pulse, a presence. But we can't quite touch it. It's as if the world has gone silent. Not because it has no song, but because we forgot how to listen. Think of the universe like the ocean. Each of us is a wave, rising and falling, but made of the same water. When we identify only as the wave, separate, temporary, anxious, life feels chaotic. But when we realize we are the ocean expressing itself for a moment, peace arises naturally. Krishna didn't give Arjuna a lecture on cosmology. He reminded him of this simple truth. You're not a fragment. You are part of the whole. When I first tried to grasp that, it sounded poetic, but not real. I thought, how can I feel oneness when I'm stuck in traffic, when deadlines suffocate me? It took me years to see. Consciousness isn't hidden in temples or stars. It's in the very act of noticing. Even noticing your breath right now, that's consciousness touching itself. So how do we live this? Not just think it. Start simple. When you wake up tomorrow, before your phone lights up, just place your hand on your heart and whisper, let me remember I'm part of something vast. You might feel nothing. That's okay. It's not about instant enlightenment. It's about remembering. Some days I forget completely. I rush, I worry, I lose patience with small things, and only later realize I've fallen asleep again. But even that realization, that moment of, I forgot, is consciousness waking up once more. Try this small ritual. Each night, recall one moment that made you feel connected. A sunset, a kind word, even silence. Write it down. One line, no poetry needed. That's how awareness grows, quietly like dawn. Maybe the question was never, is the universe conscious? Maybe the real question is, are we? Because every time we pause, breathe, and notice life pulsing around us, we're answering it. So next time you feel small or lost, step outside, look at the sky, and ask gently, am I separate from this, or am I this? Noticing itself. And let that question stay with you, like a quiet flame. If this reflection stirred something within you, walk with me on this journey, where ancient wisdom meets our modern confusions. Subscribe if you wish to listen deeper, but more than that, listen to yourself.